Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn something very basic in Canva, which is uploading images in Canva. First, let's go to a design by clicking on the plus sign, which is the create option. Then go for any dimensions or your work line or your streamline dimension. When you will open the canvas in Canva, on the left side you will be able to see this upload section here. Once you will find this option called upload files, just go to upload files and tap on any images that you will want to upload in the upload section of Canva. Just double tap on it